Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Today's video is going to be about this hair that I have in my head right now from Lavy hair. It's super cute. So that's what this video is going to be about. If you're interested in more details about this hair or how I installed the wig, then just be sure to stay tuned for your girl, you know. Before I get into it, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack your screen right where that subscribe button is. Girl, you already know the drill. Why you acting brand new? Don't do me like that. Subscribe. So this is their Brazilian loose wave 200% density wig. It is a full frontal. Clearly it's 20 inches. It is very full. It's shiny. It's not flowing how I want it to, but I blame myself because I didn't wash or anything. I didn't wash the hair. I know. I just took it straight out the pack for the sake of this video. But yeah, I do eventually plan on dyeing it like jet black because right now it's like a natural black color. But I like for all of my hair to be jet black, period. So yeah, girl, if you're interested in how I installed this wig, just stay tuned. This isn't going to be like a tutorial because I'm not really going to be talking in it because I have 1,000,001 install videos on my channel and I have so many like installation tutorials, so you're just going to be watching me if that's okay with you. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.
top the roof and let it smoke clean. I got diamonds